What is up, guys? Today we're going to be installing my suspension. I've already started on the driver's side a little bit, so we're going to wrap up the suspension, get it all bolted on, all the new parts. The only thing I won't be able to bolt on is the steering rack. Waiting on bushings for that. But other than that, that's all we'll be doing today. Most likely time lapse it. I just want to show you guys me going through the whole process and completely assembling everything. We'll be putting in my front air struts as well and take care of that while we're in there. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoy. Everything's nice and black. Looks so good. My yellow sway bar. Have to get new stabilizer links. I'll probably get them from Figs, but I'll leave that disconnected for now. This is the headlight height adjuster, if any of you guys wanted to know. I'm gonna put my old stabilizer links back in for the time being. So we got everything installed. Don't mind my wires, I gotta tuck them up still, but got all this installed. I was gonna redo these, but I think I'm gonna wait. Maybe, we'll see. I'll think about it. I don't know if I want to keep them like this or if I want to paint them yellow with black lettering. Make them pop more with my black wheels. So we might do that, but that's later. I do have a new brake line, steel braided brake line, and we'll install that, and then we'll also install my airbag. Let's go ahead and do that. got some Stop Tech steel braided lines. Installed. So this side is now complete. Let's get started on the other side. That's gonna do it for this one, guys. Wasn't too much in the video, but you know, I thought I'd show you guys. I like doing stuff myself, and I like showing people that I do 99% of the stuff myself. If you guys enjoyed, give this video a like. Tell me what you liked about it. Comments do help. I love when you guys comment. Yeah, that's gonna do it. So like I said, thank you guys for watching. I'll bring you another video hopefully soon. We'll start doing the intercooler, doing the bash bar, the intercooler piping maybe. I don't know. We'll figure it out, but thanks guys. Later.